Hello, everyone, and welcome to Fearless Fridays. My name is Dr. Benjamin Ritter. I'm a leadership and career coach guiding others to create a career they can love. And today, I want to talk about connecting and networking and building a community. Now, there's a lot of advice out there about how to connect with people and what to say when you're connecting with them. That's great and very important. But what's the purpose of connecting with people if you don't follow through, if you don't follow up, and you don't build a relationship? So today, I want to stress to all of you, if you're looking to build a community and you meet somebody that you're interested in and you vibe with, you better set on your calendar 2 or 3 other times in the near future, I'd say at least once a month, where you are connecting with that individual, offering them something, learning about what's going on in their life, finding an opportunity for you to continuously build a relationship. And those 3 points in time aren't actually going to be that significant, but they will lay a foundation to help you start moving towards the relationship. So now, instead of just being someone that they've connected with and generally know, they can actually feel that you're someone that they should build a relationship further with. So then you can meet more in person or invite them out to a different event or ask their advice for something. This is how we build friends. This is how we build professional network. And way too often people stress so much on the front end, connect, but very little on the follow up and follow through, which is really what's going to create what we want for ourselves when we are networking. So if you try this out, let me know. Send me a message, connect with me. I want to hear about it. And most importantly, everyone, keep on living for yourself.